2 stick crazy fries. Come on, baby, come on. Fries for 1 pita behind me, right? Correct, big man? Excellent, good job, thank you. That's a personal poutine. Is it set up for the personal poutine there or no? Thank you. Stay where you are, I got you. 2 pork, walk with the order because the lady's not there. Thank you, sir.
Front door open.
You, sir. I'm so sorry. 22nd, that bad boy there for me. Put it right on the line. Thank you very much. The other dogs can all go inside, please. Alphabetical order. Alphabetical order. Thank you. Say that again. I got you. Yeah.
Front door open.
Thank you, sir. All right, get behind you, sir.
Yeah.
Can you bring this thing closer so I don't throw them? Thank you so much when you can. Yeah, just that box. You can bring that box closer. Z-Man, you got 2 of them, big guy. 2 of them. Thank you. That's you, sir. Z, that order's Dunchkeys whenever you want. You, sir, you're gone. Personal crazy fries. You should have a thing, eh, my guy? Look at me here, quickly, bro. You should have 4 pork sticks here. It's 2 crazy pitas, not 1. Whoever called that. Basket's ready for that one, bro. Does he slide down? No, I'm just clearing my throat out. I usually clear my throat out when that's a fact. Alright? Hey, I have the same issue, man. I can't lie. I don't want to lie, bro. I have the same issue the guy has. Yo, you have the same issue with him. We're aggressive flippers. Sorry, you. Man, all you need is 1 stick, right, Peter? Stay where you are. Don't bring it back. Don't bring it back. Don't bring it back. Don't bring it back. Yeah.
What's the last price for?
It's this guy's. Yeah, don't drop it yet. Yo, take off with the order. Thank you.